Hi guys, it's Matthew here, the Kiwi Culchie, and today we're going to make a Christmas cranberry sauce. Okay guys, add your orange juice and then add your sugar. So make sure that the soft brown sugar is all melted into the orange juice and just give it a stir. When the orange juice and sugar is boiling, you add the cranberries. These are fresh cranberries. You can use frozen, but frozen will take around 10 minutes. With the fresh cranberries that you can get from your local store, it only takes about 5 minutes. So here you go guys, it's still up on a high heat. They're going to bubble away, keep their shape, so it's going to take around 5 minutes. So guys, you'll see there, it's almost reduced down to a jam, like a chutney consistency. This is what you want. Very simple recipe. So yeah, enjoy. Okay guys, so this is it. Now, it might be a little bit too wet, but what happens, it thickens when it cools, okay? So there you go guys, a real simple cranberry sauce. Okay, it only takes 5, 6, 7 minutes and it still holds its shape, so you still get a little bit of the sourness of the cranberries, but the sugar and the orange juice really add to it. Merry Christmas and wait for the next recipe. Thanks guys.